Hello, everybody, from Palm Springs International Airport. Today, I will be taking a flight aboard WestJet Airlines from here in Palm Springs, California, down to Calgary, Alberta. Come stay throughout this trip report. I hope you guys enjoy. Our flight to Calgary today will be departing out of Gate 8 at Palm Springs International Main Terminal. Shortly after that, we boarded the aircraft and I was settled in my seat right next to the airplane wing. Shortly after I was settled in my seat, boarding was called complete and 159 passengers were on board today's flight from Palm Springs to Calgary. Quickly, we started our pushback headed to runway 31 left at Palm Springs International Airport.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard WestJet Flight 1469 with service to Calgary. Before we get on our way, the flight attendants are going to demonstrate the safety features of the Boeing 737-800. When the seatbelt sign is on, you must fasten your seatbelt. Insert the middle lid onto the slot and then the upper position of the buckle.
Quickly after pushback, we had started our taxi down to runway 31 left at Palm Springs International Airport.
If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask one of our cabin crew members. We wish you an enjoyable flight. Thank you for choosing WestJet. Ladies and gentlemen, please make sure that your seatbelt is fastened for takeoff. We're about to start a takeoff roll. Flight attendants are going to come around and make a final safety check. Make sure everybody has their seatbelts fastened and are ready for takeoff.
After a quick 5-minute taxi down to runway 31 left, we began our alignment into runway 31 left for takeoff.
Palm Springs Unicum, WestJet 1469 is taking off runway 31 left, departing straight out.
And before we knew it, takeoff roll had started. And here I'll let you guys enjoy a beautiful sunny day takeoff out of runway 31 left in Palm Springs Airport.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, and please remember this is not a smoking flight. Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached our altitude of 10,000 feet. You may now use any electronic devices. These complimentary snacks will be coming around.
And right after that, before we knew it, we were already at our cruising altitude of 33,000 feet for this 2 hour and 15-minute flight down to Calgary. The flight attendant came around and passed out the snacks. For the flight today, we had chicken wraps, croissants, we had candies, we had waters, Pringles, and much more on today's flight, as you guys can see in the menus on the screen. For today's flight, I bought a Swiss croissant and a water bottle. About a few minutes after that, the sun started to set. Right after that, about 30 minutes after the beautiful sunset, it was already nighttime. And 1 hour right after that, we were in for a speedy landing at runway 35 left at Calgary's International Airport.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Calgary with our local time 6:37 p.m. We recommend you to please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop in the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. You may now use your electronic devices in behalf of our Calgary-based crew. We want to thank you for choosing WestJet, and we hope to see you aboard again. If you have a connection flight with WestJet, please ask the staff member inside the terminal, and I'm sure they'll be happy to assist you. Thank you so much for choosing WestJet, and we hope to see you on board again.
And after that gorgeous landing in Calgary's runway 35 left, we were already taxiing into our gate D72 in the International Terminal at Calgary International Airport. After that awesome flight with WestJet, I'll definitely fly with them again. I loved flying with WestJet, and it was an awesome experience. The crew and the seats were highly comfortable, and the crew were very, very nice and attended to everybody's needs. I highly recommend flying with WestJet, and I'll definitely fly with them again. That has been a trip report, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.